All right, everybody. Couple of things I ordered from Amazon. It came today, and making this video to point out a few things. First, I'm gonna, I guess, combo this as a somewhat of an open box video, and at the same time, a package delivery review. Okay. I ordered three things. One was a 3M half mask for it's like a respirator for painters and people who do construction work and things like that. And then I bought the filter that comes with it. It didn't come with it. I had to buy the filter separate. And I bought safety goggles. All right. Now, as soon as I opened the Amazon packaging, I looked inside and saw that bag, and it was fully open. It was inside that bag in that packaging, that Amazon packaging, and it was fully open when I looked inside. Okay, the ziplock wasn't even closed. All right, so when I looked in there, I saw the mask and everything else, and also saw this thing here. I guess belonged to some kind of packaging. I don't know, that sealed the outer packaging of this at one time. So basically, what I bought or what I was sent was an open box or open packaged thing. So I'm not even sure if this is brand new or not. More than likely, it was sent to somebody. They tried it on, or they used it, or whatever, didn't like it, and returned it. It's probably a returned item. Okay. But for the fact that this is a face mask and it was probably used on somebody's face or somebody tried it on and put back in this bag and then resold, it's kind of disconcerting to me. Uh, I mean, I could understand if it was any other kind of product, where people's mouth and nose and all that, and really shocking the fact that in the era of COVID that they would even ship something like this opened and or resell it without letting the consumer know that it was an open package or it was a used or whatever. Okay, and I only paid 12 something for it. Okay, and I guess I don't know. I didn't look at any. I didn't see anything in fine print or anything that said this was a used product, and I don't think I would have bought anything like this used because, like I said, in an era of COVID, you don't want to buy anything that somebody's put their face in already. But my main concern is that was this product sold at one time to someone and they tried it on, they didn't like it, and they returned it, and then it was resold to me. Okay, that's my main concern. So, I mean, it does no good to be um, somewhat cautious about your air that you're going to breathe. So, you buy a mask, but then the mask you buy was possibly contaminated by someone else. I don't know. I don't know, folks. And it says 3M on there, so I'm going to trust that it's the legit item, legit product. Right here, you can see that the gasket that goes around, there's gaps and stuff right here. I don't know. On this side, there are no gaps. See the orange gasket, and then you got the orange gasket over here that you can clearly see there's a gap there. Let me see if I can push that in. Okay, there you go. There's okay. See? So I don't know. Somebody messed with it and pulled that gasket off at one time or what? I don't know. but it wasn't packaged. It wasn't sealed, or whatever. Now moving on to the next item that I ordered. The goggles came in this white bag that I tore open. This came sealed. And then it came wrapped in more plastic with a tape on it. So I'm a little bit more confident of this product. As you can see, it's a safety goggle with a one of those little microfiber wipes that you clean the lens with. But you can tell the whole thing is made out of plastic. So it's just a safety goggles. And you're supposed to be able to wear this over top of your eyeglasses. I ordered the larger one. At first I ordered the small one, which had the black frame around it. And I figured that the smaller one would not fit over top of my eyeglasses. So I ordered the larger one. Okay? And this is self-explanatory. Oh, didn't mean to drop that. This is self-explanatory. This is a filter for that mask right there. Okay, it's a 3M filter. Alright, I won't open this. I'll leave it in its packaging until I get ready to use the filter. Alright, so a little disappointed about that mask. I mean, if it would have been one thing for the goggles to come that way, because I'm not really concerned about somebody having tried on the goggles and returning it. But a face mask, I don't know, people, breathe all in the mask and this and that and find out that it doesn't fit their face, so they got their oily face in the mask and breathe all in it, and then they put it back in the bag and sent it back to Amazon or whoever the vendor is. It's kind of disconcerting, that they would do that. At least, warn the customer this was a demo model. Somebody tried it on already, or it was sent through refurbishing where they sanitized it and everything. I don't know. It just also it's very light, and I'm kind of glad. It's light, because you don't want to wear nothing too heavy on your face. But it just doesn't seem like it would be very protective, as far as in keeping things out of your. Because this, I don't know. We'll see. It might work very well. But I won't return it, because I'm telling you, returning things through the mail, even if it's Amazon or what, it's a headache. It's a pain in the butt. So I won't return it. I'll probably take some sanitizer and sanitize it real good. Try to kill whatever germs in it. I don't know. And I bought it mainly for my survival kit. It's gonna go into my get home bag with the filter and the goggles. So I don't know. It's getting to that point where it's hard to trust buying things online anymore, where you get things and you wonder, it makes you wonder. So hopefully there's nothing else wrong with it. This is my initial impression of the delivery and the package. I hope there's nothing else wrong with it. If there is, I'll make a follow-up video or whatever. But that's it. I don't know. What can you do? Alright, thanks for watching.